This man is giving Edochie's water. He is really giving them water. You, Edochie, May Edochie, and Juju Austin. Watch this video and laugh with me, I beg.
Juju Austin. Oh, Judy Austin. Judy Austin, I am talking to you. Repent, or you will be doomed. You are praying for people that are blushing you, that God will bless them. I know it's the opposite. What are you talking about? When you took over another woman's bola, don't you know that nemesis will come upon you? Juju Austin, check 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 10. Every man must appear on the seat facing the Lord, for judgment day shall come. 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 10. Go and read it for yourself. Juju Austin, sitting on another woman's bola and you are praying. What happened to your first relationship? If I may ask you. The same cane that was used will be used also now in the present. Leave somebody's bola alone and let bola face where he belongs. The real queen is waiting for her bola. Any day the bola come for settlement, queen will be ready. Juju Austin, I am talking to you. Leave another woman's bola alone and you will be free. Else you will be doomed. I don't know what is wrong with you. You think you are the most talk about. The most talk about in what act? The most talk about in what way? People are talking about you for snatching another woman's husband. And that is what they are talking. And you are sitting there feeling so comfortable. Juju Austin, the end time shall come. Nemesis is coming. End time, everyone shall answer to his or her call when the day comes. Juju Austin, I am talking to you. Repent, mommy, so-called mommy Gio. You are not mommy Gio. You can never be mommy Gio, Juju Austin. How can you be mommy Gio? The real mommy Gio is exiting from city to city, from country to country, dignitaries to dignitaries. Come on, what are you saying? The real queen is there, and we know the real queen. Not you making content from window to window, doors to doors, under the tree to the car. That is not content. Those are flat and boring content that you are making. You can never be the queen, Juju Austin. Go back and have a rethink and know what you are doing to yourself, because judgment day is coming and you will answer the call. 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 10. Come on, stop disturbing us. Stop disturbing our timeline. Juju Austin, free you, Edochie. Free him. Every spell that you are using on him, I am the real prophet. And as a prophet of the Most High, I am here now to cast away all the spell you are using on you. Mali bradibo shantele grebo sanka brebo shinda rigarabo sigrebo shontare rakatali brabo shanderebo rigerebo she yole doche ragabo zenderebo merebo shende rogobo santali brabo rakatili bo shandarabo rigerabo zundurubu rakayimbarabo shantali bra.